Many people want their teeth to look fresher and cleaner, but without aggressive treatments, harsh chemicals, or spending a lot of money. There is a simple combination of 3 well-known ingredients that can help remove surface stains and refresh your smile. The first ingredient is something commonly used both in the household and in oral care. It is baking soda. 1 small teaspoon is enough. It helps remove surface stains because it is mildly abrasive, but for that very reason, it should be used in moderation to protect the enamel. The second ingredient is coconut oil. It is a natural fat often used in oral care routines. You will need 1 level teaspoon. It may help reduce bacteria in the mouth and makes the mixture gentler, so the baking soda does not act too harshly on the teeth and gums. Friends, before we continue, write in the comments where you are watching from. I love connecting with people from all around the world. Thank you. The third ingredient is the one that provides essential protection. It is fluoride toothpaste. Add about 1 tablespoon. Fluoride strengthens enamel and helps protect against cavities, which is crucial for long-term dental health. Mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth, even consistency. Apply a small amount to your toothbrush and brush gently for about 2 minutes. Use this combination no more than once or twice a week to avoid wearing down the enamel. It is important to emphasize that this method does not change the natural internal color of your teeth like professional treatments do, but it can help them appear brighter by removing surface stains from coffee, tea, or other colored drinks. Check out our next video on your screen. Take care and see you next time.